Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make simple blueberry cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. All I've done is I've taken just a regular white cake mix, just a boxed cake mix, and I've followed the instructions and I have my batter all ready. To turn these into blueberry cupcakes, it's really simple. I have fresh blueberries, and I'm going to do a little trick to keep these from sinking to the bottom of our cupcakes. And all I'm going to do is add a little bit of flour. About a teaspoon of flour is all you need. And I'm just going to toss these around with the flour, and believe it or not, that'll keep our blueberries from sinking. And so I'm just going to add these into the batter. You want to do this last because the blueberries are so easy to break. You want them to stay whole in the cupcakes. So you just fold the blueberries in gently. And if a few of them break, it's all right. It doesn't matter. But I like to keep most of the blueberries whole. Okay, so that's all there is to the cupcake part. Now I'm going to use my kitchen scoop to fill my cupcake tins. I've just found that this is just a great way to portion the cupcakes, and it makes it really fast, and also you can keep all your cupcakes the same size if you use a kitchen scoop. So I'm just going to finish filling my cupcake tins, and I'm going to put the cupcakes in the oven at 350 degrees for about 19 minutes. So while my cupcakes are in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and make the cream cheese frosting. And to do that, I've got cream cheese, I've got a little bit of softened butter, I've got some powdered sugar, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream in case I need it. And this is really pretty simple, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to add my butter to my cream cheese, and I'm going to go ahead and use my handheld mixer to mix this up really well. So once the butter and the cream cheese are nice and smooth, it's time to start adding the sugar. And so I'm just going to add this a little bit at a time until I incorporate all the sugar. And that is all there is to yummy cream cheese frosting. So when our cupcakes come out of the oven and they cool, I'll frost them and they'll be delicious for an after dinner treat. And once again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen today making blueberry cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. Remember to take a little time to get your family around the table. See you next time.